Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will try to learn the poem Lost Lesson of the Afternoon, written by D.H. Lawrence. First, I will give you the introduction of this poem, Lost Lesson of the Afternoon. The lost lesson of the afternoon is written through the eyes of a teacher. It expresses a mood of bitter desperation and disappointment at the lack of gratitude for a teacher's work. The poet, who also happens to be a teacher, compares his students to hounds because they hate chasing knowledge. The teacher tried hard to motivate the students to learn, but he could not inspire them to learn. He feels that his teaching and the learning of the students are both purposeless because he can no longer hold them and urge them. The poet describes very strongly what he feels and the inner turmoil he suffers. Finally, he thinks he won't waste his soul and strength in teaching those students who show so much indifference to the study. Now, the lines of the poem. When will the bell ring and end this weariness? This is the first line of this poem. When will the bell ring and end this weariness? You see, it is a rhetorical question. The teacher wonders if the final bell that ends the school day will ever ring. A rhetorical question actually expects no answer. The poet uses it to make this point and strengthen his argument. How long have they tugged the leash and strained apart? My pack of unruly hounds, I cannot start. Here, the poet compares his learners to a pack of hunting dogs. The poet here uses the poetic device metaphor. He does this because he feels he has been trying to lead them in one direction while the students are going in another direction. And you also know metaphor is a comparison without using like or as. A metaphor refers to one person or object as being like another. The comparison is implied rather than stated directly. Them again on a query of knowledge, they hate to hunt. Query of knowledge means a pit of knowledge. They hate to hunt. They are not interested in knowledge. I can hold them and urge them no more. The teacher is exhausted. He wants to give up. He is not going to force knowledge into them any longer. Now, second stanza of this poem. No longer now can I endure the brunt of the books that lie out on the desks, a full threescore of several work that they have offered me. I am sick, and what on earth is the good of it all? What good to them or me? What good to them or me? I cannot see. I cannot see. No longer now can I endure the burnt of the books that lie out on the desks, a full threescore. You see, now the poet focuses our attention on the written work that is lying on his learner's desks to be collected. And endure means to suffer something that is painful or difficult with patience. To suffer something painful or difficult situation with patience. And there is another word, brunt, the main force or shock of a blow. We can also say attack. The teacher does not even want to look at them. He describes them as insults because he thinks that his learners do not have any respect for him or the subject he is teaching. And threescore, threescore means 60 pages of written work. I am sick, and what on earth is the good of it all? What good to them or me I cannot see. The teacher does not see the purpose of all this, not for him or the learners. Thanks.